Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Tubi account's password. So let's get started. Launch open a web browser and type in tubitv.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, go ahead and mouse over to your name at the top right hand corner. And in the pop-up, click on Account Settings. You'll then end up in this My Account tab. Scroll down and get to this Change Password option. Go ahead and enter your current password in the first text box. Enter the current password you are using for the account, and then on the next field, type in the new password you want to change to. Confirm the new password in the last field after you are done typing in the second box, and then finally, click the Change Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Tubi TV. That's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.